In a time of remarkable progress and boundless creativity, a new spirit emerged. The Renaissance spirit. It was more than just a philosophy or style. It was a way of living, growing, learning, and thinking. The Renaissance spirit embodied the relentless pursuit of innovation. It was a journey to understand humanity and the world we inhabit. Exploring our past, present, and future, it encouraged us to embrace our uniqueness, while always remembering that we are all human. In the Renaissance spirit, we realized that despite our differences, we are all part of the same race, all interconnected. One race, interconnected and interdependent, where 99% of our genetic makeup remains the same. With this realization, we understand the importance of human rights, equality, and civil rights. The Renaissance spirit asserts that minority rights and gay rights are crucial for a truly enlightened society. It is through embracing unity, innovation, and equality that we can create a brighter future for all. When we unite, we tap into the true potential of humanity. We become unstoppable. Just as the Renaissance pioneers set out to change the world, so can we, in our own unique way. Let us celebrate the Renaissance spirit and its enduring legacy by championing the values it represents. Welcome to the Renaissance path, appreciating the interplay of mind, body, and spirit in our modern existence. Life in today's world can often feel overwhelming, with constant distractions and demands. But deep within us, there lies a desire for balance and fulfillment. The Renaissance journey provides a roadmap for navigating this complex landscape and discovering the harmony between our mind, body, and spirit. The mind, a powerful force, shapes our thoughts and perceptions. It is through our minds that we explore knowledge, seek understanding, and build our inner worlds. But we must remember to cultivate a mindful presence, to immerse ourselves in the present moment, and embrace its beauty. Our bodies are intricate vessels, constantly in motion. They carry us through life's experiences, enabling us to connect with the world around us. By nurturing our bodies through nourishing food, exercise, and self-care, we can achieve physical vitality and unlock the energy needed to pursue our passions. And then there is our spirit, the essence of our being. It whispers to us, guiding our intuition and igniting our passions. Nurturing our spirit means cultivating a sense of purpose, connecting with our values, and exploring our creativity. When we align our spirit with our actions, we unlock a sense of fulfillment and authenticity. In the Renaissance journey, we weave together these three threads of mind, body, and spirit. It's a holistic approach, emphasizing the interconnectedness of these elements. By seeking balance and harmony in all areas of our life, we can unlock our true potential and create a life of purpose and fulfillment. Let's embark on this journey together. Discover the beauty of self-reflection, harness the power of mindfulness, and embrace the vitality of a healthy body. As we navigate the Renaissance path, we invite you to explore your innermost desires, unleash your creativity, and flourish in the modern world. Thank you for joining us on this expedition of self-discovery. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, the Renaissance journey awaits you. Embracing authenticity and finding your Renaissance spirit in a modern world. The Renaissance period was a remarkable time when creativity blossomed, and individuals celebrated their unique talents and perspectives. But in today's fast-paced society, we often find ourselves conforming to societal norms and suppressing our true selves. Imagine a world where we can embrace our authentic selves, where our passions take center stage, and our unique talents shine through. By reconnecting with our inner Renaissance spirit, we can tap into the unlimited well of creativity that lies within us. So how can we unleash our Renaissance spirit in this modern world? First, it's essential to reflect on your passions and gifts. What makes your heart sing? What activities bring you joy? Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or cooking, allow yourself the freedom to explore these passions and express yourself authentically. Embrace the idea of lifelong learning. The Renaissance period was marked by a hunger for knowledge and a thirst for new experiences. Rekindle that thirst within yourself. Dive into books, take up new hobbies, and surround yourself with diverse perspectives. Don't be afraid to fail or make mistakes. Embracing authenticity means stepping out of your comfort zone and being vulnerable. Remember, it's through failures and mistakes that we grow and learn valuable lessons. And finally, celebrate your uniqueness. The Renaissance period valued individuality and celebrated the diversity of human expression. So, let go of comparisons and societal expectations. Embrace who you truly are and celebrate the beauty of your individuality. Unleashing your Renaissance spirit is not just about rediscovering the past, it's about embracing your true self in the present. Thank you for joining us on this journey to embracing authenticity and finding our Renaissance spirit. Remember to subscribe to our channel to explore more empowering ideas.